Hey, the bird is there. Look. What?
Hey guys, welcome to MIKEY'S Adventures again. So today, we're not going to do adventures. We're going to do hunting to do.
Hunting? What are you hunting?
We're hunting for birds, so
And
can feed them.
pigeons? Oh, pigeons and birds?
Yeah.
For
so
why? For?
we're going to feed them.
You want to feed them with this bread?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's see what we can do. Let's
Before
go.
we do this,
Yeah.
please subscribe and like on our video, so everyone will like our video. And
Right.
please share so everyone knows about this video.
Right.
Because sharing is caring.
Right.
Okay.
And hey, wait a minute. You were asking me about the pants. What pants are you talking about earlier? How many what?
How many pants? I have 3 pants.
Where I know. One. And then the one inside you. And where's the other one? Only have 2 pants, right? And what?
Yep.
Hey, you fooled me there. Okay, let's go, Mikey.
Okay, let's have some.
Okay, let's go for some birds hunting. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go.
I'm not ready to put any drop these, so I'll put them here.
Right. Go.
Oh, the park.
Of course, there are birds in the park. Let's see some.
Oh, there's a park.
Oh, there's a park here. Okay.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my world. Come follow me.
Planes are coming down now. A few minutes. It is wrong to pick them out. So the planes are doing a good job for us.
Come on, you can do it. Come on. I think this will be a very beautiful ride because after passing through this, we're going that way, then that way, and then we're getting. Let's go. Come on, Mike, you can do it. Come on, Mike, you can do it. Come on. You can do it. There you go. We're almost there. Come on. People can jog and walk. Wow. I think you just have to feed some fish instead of birds. Right? You just go straight. Go. You can ride the bicycle now. Yeah, you can practice here. Come on. Nice river. The river's, I think the river is too high now, and I'm afraid when there's high tide, it will be dangerous here because the water is too high, I guess. Okay. Let's see what the end of this place, of this river. Let's see if there are fish here. I don't see anything. Oh, it's the end of the road. It's the end of the road here. You have to go back. You have to turn back. Let's turn back. Let's go straight again. What are these? Go straight, Mikey. There, look. Let's see what's the other side. What's at the end of this road, okay? Is that a school? Yeah, it is a school. So we're gonna go down and go up again. Okay. Yeah, it's an elevated path. Whoa. Woo! Another way here too. Let's go to the very end, see what's at the end of the road. Mikey, there are birds there. Mikey. Mikey, look. I spotted a duck. Look, Mikey, spotted a duck. And there are birds over there on the other side of the building. Give me the bread. Come on, throw it away. Come on, let's go. Look. Look. Let's see if it's gonna eat it. Come on, duckling. Oh, there's another duck. There you go. Oh, they just passed through it. And this other one is smarter. Yeah, she knows what to do, and he's gonna go straight to the bait. Eat it. Come on. What? What? Come on. It's bread. Bread. Look at those birds. They're coming. Another one is coming from the other side. That one there. From far away, there are going to be 3 of them. Okay, get one more bread. Try to throw it away from them.
Only half.
Huh?
Only half.
No, we have to throw it away because it's too far. Here, wait. Woo! There. Come on, eat it, birds. Are you gonna eat it? What? They're curious what it is? It's bread. Come on, the crow's gonna get it. What do you think, Mikey? Do you think will the bird get it or not? Not? You think so?
That's a waste.
It's a bummer. It's okay. The fish will eat it later. There, it's gonna eat. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now you discover its food. Now you go. Now you know it's food, right? And there's one more here. You have to come closer to us now. Now they're sharing one bread. Come on. eating it? Maybe we could have put cheese sandwich. Or eggs. Should be other birds. But look at that. The bread is coming back to us. Look at that. Mikey, go jump and get that one. What? Wonder, look at those ducks. Are they ducks or swan or whatever they call it? Come on, look, they're coming back for it. That's food. Chow chow, that's your dinner, guys. That's your dinner, guys. Come on, get your dinner. And there are birds over there. Hopefully they could see us. There are birds there. See that?
Oh yeah.
There's one here.
Oh. It's like a butterfly.
Yeah.
Wait, I have an idea.
Those 3 ducks are still wondering if they're gonna eat or not. What? The birds coming? Yeah. Need to see the they need to see the bread here. Come on, these are food. Chow chow, guys. Here, these are for you guys. Where are they? How many did you were able to feed the birds? Oh, there's another one.
Oh, yeah.
There's another one. Wait, there's another one. Try to throw one. Come on. Go throw a small one. Make it high so they could see it. There. The big one is coming down. Come on. Throw it. Oh, it's too close to us. Come here. Yeah. What? An airplane? There's another one. A small bird. Come on. There you go. Good job. Come on. He's eating it there. Relaxing. Oh, got away again. People are walking on the street, so I'm kind of scared. There are big birds here. Look at the birds. They're huge and
Hi, Daddy.
Hey there.
A piece of bread. Hold it. Look at that. Oh! What's Daddy doing? Oh, look! Right there! Oh, that's the bread. the bread right there. Come on, the bread is right there. Huh? You see it right there? Try to find the bird. It's very sneaky. Oh my gosh, wait. Look, it's the bird. The bird, little kitty. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. The bird is just staring. That kind of looks like a crow. Look at that.
There, get it, there.
Woo!
He's getting it.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I think she's getting it now. You get it?
I can't see it.
Yeah, she's underneath that thing. And your video is too close.
Look at that smell.
Where? The duck? I think it's a duck.
Oh, it's that school.
Yeah. I think it's time for the zombies to come out. Oh yeah, you have to go back to their nests. There. Here. Here. Oh, get that big one. For your family. Go get it. Come on. Oh, look at the school of birds there. Come on, get it. Get that big one for your family. Come on.
Come on, you need that for your family.
Come on.
Your family's gonna die without food.
Yeah. And it's just there. What kind of bird is it? Let's take a closer look. And there, I don't know.
Ooh, look! Look!
Huh?
Look at that!
Oh, it's the same bird.
So fast.
Yeah. And they're not getting it. Whose bicycle is that? Somebody left the bicycle there. Somebody left the bicycle there. Maybe they're jogging or something. Or maybe it's a stolen bicycle and just left it there. I could throw it somewhat closer to the bicycle. Throw it there, the road, on the road, along the road. No, not that way. Along the road. And throw it high along the road. Look at those birds. Those are the crows. Bad ones.
Oh, there's a lot. They're making a group.
Oh yeah. Yep. They're crows. Look at your left side.
Oh my god. There's a what? There's a wild of them.
Feed them small, little by little. Come on, go. This is it. This is your chance. Go.
They're going away.
No, they're not. There's a lot of them. Come on, go. You have to throw farther.
Oh no. Look.
Yeah, there. They're hungry.
Look.
Here.
Look at eating.
Here. What? What are you scared about? Just bread. Duh. Duh. That's why you call duck. Duh, duck. They're coming back. They're coming back. They're coming back for the food. They're coming back. Fix your mask, Mikey.
Let me drop my pants.
Yeah, your underpants. Look at the birds. They're coming back. Come on. Did they really eat this stuff? Are they eating it?
Yeah.
Oh, there. Here, get this big one. Come on.
Run away.
I don't understand what they want. They're just there. They're just waiting for something. I don't know. It's a whole stretch of this river, and they're only here at this point, this area. I don't know for what reason. There must be something else here. Are they waiting for some fish to come out, or why are they here? Can you ask them? Can you ask the birds what are they doing here?
Why are you eating the bread?
I know, because we're here. Come on.
What if they were very fast?
Yeah, he's a loner. That's an outcast.
There's a lot here.
I don't know why they're not eating the bread. There's one. Come on, you can do it. Go. Go grab it. Come on. What's the matter with you guys? They're scared for bread because of the what? Because it's white? And all the bread I threw is coming back. It's just all here now. Come on, you're wasting the food. Come on, get it. There you go. Come on, go. You can do it. You can do it. Say something, Mikey. Where? Another unsuccessful attempt. Oh, look at that. Is that a seagull? Right. Call it Steven. Steven Seagull. What's his name? Steven?
Yes, Steven.
Steven Seagull?
So for the past 126 days, I've been feeding my pet seagull.
Bitch.
To gain his trust, something I never thought possible to begin with.
Gimme.
He spit in my face, gave me rabies.
Die.
Multiple times, but with perseverance, that sweet trust I always wanted was finally gained. Until November last year, Steven flew away for a couple of months.
Really?
Yeah.
Steven Seagull is
I don't think he lives here. He speaks English.
Come on, birds. Oh, there, Mikey, look. There. Got one bread. They're now asking for some share. No, you're not gonna get share from him. No way. Oh, they're fighting now. They're fighting. Oh, look at that. They're fighting for the food. Just eating and eating on the bread. Oh, too bad, you guys.
Oh, there's one more bread
That's why they're called ducks. There. You're gonna do an attempt. This bird is gonna do an attempt. That was yummy. The bread was yummy. Come on.
I'll make a trap.
No, you're gonna put it on this. What do you mean trap? For what? How? Where? What do you mean trap? Nobody will go there. There's one attempt. Don't scare the bird. The two birds attempting. One on your leftmost. There's one. Come on, get it. Come on.
Ducks for the door. Oh. How in the world?
I hope one gets it and they're gonna fight all. There. Everybody's gonna fight for it. Come on, get it. Oh, one got one, another one. There you go. Fighting again.
How come they're fighting? You can throw more.
Just group together. What? You see?
People trap them like this.
Why are there cars there? Our bridge is over there, so we have to go back to that bridge over there. Right?
Yeah, but here there's a lot.
We might get lost. This bridge is too long. I mean, not bridge.
I'd rather go to the river.
This river is too long. I don't know where we're gonna end up. And these ducks are there. One's tempting. Come Come on, you can do it, ducky. Let's call one of the ducks. They call him Rubber. Rubber ducky. Oh, they're all swimming away. They're all, oh, so sad. That's dumb. What? That's it? You're not even gonna fight for it? You don't want to attempt to get it? Okay, let's go, Mikey. I think it's time. What you say again, guys?
Guys, not for real. We're gonna leave now.
Say bye-bye to them. Bye, everyone.
Bye guys, see you later, okay? Because we're gonna look at the part 2 right now because it's already midnight.
Not midnight. It's already
it's already
turning about
sunset.
6. Okay, it was an unsuccessful
Yeah, but
attempt.
but some of it is successful.
Yeah,
Successful.
successful. Yeah. Okay. So let's put it here. We just leave this in. Let's just leave this on the bicycle, right? Because no one's gonna steal that anyway. So it's time to go. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's like I'm in a roller coaster. They try it.
Taro. Oide, Taro. Kochi, oide. 何歳？
今10歳ですね。結構
え、
行ってます。
嘘？わかんないよね。違うミニアチュアシナウザ。
そうなんですか。
はい。
今自転車の練習ですね。
そうそう。
何歳ですか？
何歳？
10歳。
10歳。同じ。
そう。
同じ。
this is a stolen bicycle or somebody left this and went out for jogging, which I doubt. Must have been here for a while and I think it was stolen and left it here. I think. Right.
Look, someone's jogging.
Yeah. Maybe somebody's been jogging. But let's see. Anyway. No birds. Unsuccessful day for us, but we'll try again tomorrow or next day, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just do biking now. Let's just go straight and come back and see what's at the end of this road, right? Let's go. Let's say bye to everybody.
Bye everybody. Sorry guys, we haven't found the bird yet. So later on we're gonna find the bird. So this is part 1, ready for part 2. So
Bye now.
bye now.